Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough money. That's a lie. The real reason most people stay broke is because they don't understand how money actually works. Let me explain. If money alone made people rich, then lottery winners would stay rich forever. But statistics show most of them go broke within a few years. Why? Because money is a tool, and they never learned how to use it. School teaches you how to work for money. It never teaches you how money should work for you. From day one, the system programs you to follow one path. Study hard, get a job, earn a salary, spend it, repeat, and that's where the trap begins. Every month, money comes in, and before the next month arrives, it's already gone. Rent, food, phone, entertainment. Small pleasures that feel harmless but slowly drain your future. The problem isn't spending money. The problem is only spending money. Rich people and broke people both spend. The difference is what they do before they spend. Poor mindset says, "How can I enjoy this money now?" Wealth mindset asks, "How can this money grow while I sleep?" Here's a truth nobody likes to hear. If you don't invest, you're choosing to stay average. And no, investing isn't only for rich people. That's another lie. Investing starts with discipline, not dollars. Even a small amount invested consistently beats someone who waits for the perfect time, because time is more powerful than money. Let me say that again. Time is more powerful than money. A person who invests a little for many years will beat someone who invests a lot for a short time. But here's where most people mess up. They try to look rich instead of becoming rich. They buy things they don't need with money they don't have to impress people who don't care. Cars lose value. Trends fade. But assets compound. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, not take it out. Businesses, skills, investments, digital products. Even knowledge if applied correctly. And before you say, "I don't have money to invest," listen carefully. If you can afford subscriptions, eating out, or upgrading phones every year, you can afford to invest something. The issue isn't money, it's priorities. Another hard truth. Your income can make you comfortable, but only assets make you free. Comfort feels good, but it's dangerous. It makes you stop pushing. Freedom requires sacrifice first, comfort later. That's why most people never escape the cycle. They want results without discomfort. They want wealth without patience, success without consistency. But money doesn't reward wishes, it rewards behavior. Track what you earn, control what you spend, invest what's left. Repeat for years. It's boring, it's slow, and it works. There is no secret shortcut, no magic app, no overnight success. Just habits, discipline, and time. And the sooner you start, the sooner your future self thanks you. Because one day you'll realize the goal was never to be rich. The goal was to be free.